Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Apoorva, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to upcycle your old denim jackets. So let's get started. Materials needed for the first project are rhinestones, pearls and needle and thread. Rhinestones are easily available in any craft stores. I picked up mine from Raja Market, Bangalore. Start placing stones and pearls randomly on the jacket, and once you're happy with the placement, mark it with the marker. Take needle and thread and start attaching them to the jacket. Do the same thing on the other side of the jacket and you're done with it. Materials needed for this project are white lace or any crochet border which is of width 2.5 inch and of length 22 inches, and then you're gonna need few dressing pins or safety pins is also fine, and last but not the least, needle and thread. The placement of border is totally up to you. You can place it on the sides just like this, or you can place it on the collar. I think I'll go with the collar. Start placing the border on the collar and start pinning it up with dressing pins or safety pins. This is just to keep the border in place. Once you're done pinning it up, trim the excess fabric and then take your needle and thread and start stitching. You can do running stitch or you can do hemming method, whichever is easy for you. And once you're done with stitching, it's all ready to wear. For the last project, materials needed are fabric paint, sponge, stencil and sellotape. Oh, by the way, don't do the stupidity that I did. Pick up a lengthier border if you're planning to do something like this, because it took a lot of time for me to finish it since I used a small border. Don't do that. Place your stencil on the jacket and start taping it on 4 sides. Now take your paint and pour a little bit of paint on the plate. Take your sponge and dab it on the paint. Dab this sponge on an empty surface of the plate so that you can remove the excess paint, because we don't want anything excess on the sponge. Now just take your sponge and just keep on dabbing it on the stencil. Once you're done, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes to dry. Once it's dried, peel the tape and remove the stencil. And you're done. Keep repeating the process until you're finished with the jacket, and it's done. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.